Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and of course we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you can take your time. You can take your time to study the charts before you follow up with the analysis. Okay, so this is very, very important. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with gain x 1200. This is gain x 1200, and of course this had been on downtrend right from here, so we can see it when it switched into a downtrend, and it has been selling since then. Okay, and of course we were waiting for it to get, we actually thought it's going to go back when it get to this to this support region. As you can see, it tried to go back on uptrend, came back down again, made another attempt, but this time around it broke out below it, and it is selling right now. So this is still selling at the moment. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and of course, this was on downtrend before, but it came to an end at this point, and it has started an uptrend starting from the support region. Right here is our entry point, then the support, the stop loss. Then we add some TPs highlighted right here. The only reason why this will not sell, will not buy, is if it's goes back to break out below the support zone. Okay, but for now it is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, so you guys can take advantage of that. So next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 1200. This actually started a downtrend right from here, and it broke out below this support zone to give us more selling opportunity. Like I have said, each time there is a breakout, it will continue in that same trend till it get to the next support or resistance zone. So this time around it broke out below this support zone, and it's continued to sell. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Now let's check out the next asset, which is going to be PayNext 999. This is PayNext 999. This actually started an uptrend from here. We milked this market together. We started making it 2 days ago, and of course it's came to an end at this point. So it tried to go back on downtrend, but right now it is having a pullback. Once it is done with the pullback, it will continue with the downtrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Buying at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time, because once it is done with the pullback, it will continue with the sell trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's move on, guys, to FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. These have been on a very strong downtrend for a while. Okay, so, and it is still selling right now. There are no two ways about it. This is still selling right now because it just broke out from this support zone, and it is selling right away. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can start trying them out on your real account. Okay, so guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.